أهلا وسهلا بمقر بيت السفير المصري في طوكيو اليابان. أوهايو جوزايماس واتاشي wa Hanan desu. Watashi wa Egyptologien desu. I am Hanan Abu Bakr, the spouse of the ambassador of Egypt to Japan. It is my pleasure today to introduce not only our Egyptian cuisine but also our culture and our history. Most welcome in our Egyptian cuisine, and I wish to like it and taste it and wish to try it at home. Thank you so much. Let me introduce our chef, Chef Mahmoud. He will introduce for us koshari, and he has the ingredients and he will tell us how to make it.
Please enjoy with our Egyptian food. Koshari is the traditional Egyptian food. We mix it the pasta and the rice with chickpeas and the black lentil. Now we make a rice for koshari. First we add oil, then vermicelli, then we start to mix it till golden color. Now we add rice. Turn it well. We add some salt. After 5 minutes, rice already hot. Then we add chicken stock. The black pepper already I put in the chicken stock. No need to put again. Water should be cover the rice. Now make the dough. Rice will take from 7 to 10 minutes until cooked. Now rice is ready for koshari. Now we make tomato sauce for koshari. First we add oil. We add some garlic. Just golden color. Should be more brown. Become golden. We add some coriander powder. Some cumin. Some black pepper. And we add tomato sauce. We add some salt. Then we let boiling. We keep for 5 or 7 minutes. Now all ingredient is ready. Now we start to mix all ingredient. We start put black lentil down. Some chickpeas. Some pasta. Some spaghetti. Then last we add the rice with vermicelli. Rice and the vermicelli should be more than all ingredients. Add some tomato sauce. Flagon. Yes, now koshari is ready.
Now I will try to taste koshari. As you see, it's like a pyramid. It's I think Chef Mahmoud doing in a very proper way with the colors and decoration, and so we can eat koshari to try it. Wonderful. It's really tasty. I would say koshari in Egypt is meaning a lot for everybody. You can eat it anywhere. There is a lot of shops in Egypt dealing with koshari. But the only thing I like it, koshari from my mom, which is very tasty, and we are up to now eating the koshari at home. Maybe sometimes we can gathering as friends and family or a big family for koshari only, because this is one of our tradition and our beloved plate. Thank you so much for trying with me. If you like, you can try it. It's very, really tasty. Thank you so much.